Good Saturday morning, guys. Thank you. Good morning, good Saturday morning. What's happening now is, well, it's 11:30 to start off with. Been up for a while. Asda's been delivered, our shopping's come. I've pulled my finger out and done a bit of washing up. And with the Asda delivery came our coffee. So we're going to have an inaugural cappuccino, which I'm looking forward to. Okay guys, what we've realised with that little experiment is we have huge cups. If we use proper sized cups we might get a cup of coffee, but I've just realised now that my normal mug, my Tigger mug, is three cups of cappuccino at Starbucks, Costa. But yeah, we'll give it the taste test and see what happens. Okay guys, it's lunchtime, so we've made ourselves a little bit of a salad there, cheese, pot pie, gherkins and homemade coleslaw. Now Michelle's going to open something. Part of our house swap about is we've ordered some samples of wallpaper and Michelle's going to stick on the wall and live with for a bit. So let's see what Michelle's picked.
So, this one's for in here.
Okay.
That's for that wall there. And then...
Let's stick that up shortly.
That's for the kitchen wall. It's got glitter on it.
That's nice.
It is lovely, isn't it? It's so pretty. I like the colour and everything.
Okay, you can sellotape them to the wall in a bit, or whatever.
Yeah.
And we'll live with it for a bit. Okay. And that is a job for the future. Okay guys, so we've just had tea, Michelle made, and then some pot of pasta and stuff. Can't say more than that, with turkey mince, which we have just ate. I like dirty dishes. And what we're going to have now is another coffee, but I'm going to take the opportunity to have an Irish coffee with Scottish whiskey. So it's a Scotch coffee. And I shall let Michelle do that. A latte.
Yeah, it's a latte macchiato caramel.
Do you have to put a coffee thing in it yet? Aha, learn by experience.
Yeah, those things are hot. Cappuccino, yeah? Or do you want a caramel, whiskey caramel latte?
Better do cappuccino because the caramel on the... That's what you get guys when you use proper sized cups and not gigantic mugs. Now get that out of there without spilling it. Okay guys, gin o'clock and football. Get on it. And the cats decided to watch football with me. by making me put my legs on over the side. I've just watched the football. Michelle's upstairs FaceTiming her friends. I am now going to start, after I've finished all my Star Trek stuff, on the Marvel Universe. So I'm going to watch them in chronological order. I could nearly say that, words are hard. Had some gin. So what I'm going to do is watch Captain America, the First Avenger first, because that was set in 1940s. Let's get on with it.